Alright, so we're gonna scrunch it. I already did that there. Scrunch this one. Okay. Whatever. But what I want to know is, do I cover all of this with it? I don't understand. Bro. Alrighty guys, so I know I left you guys hanging last time, but I was having major difficulties. Before I show you guys the finished tie-dye product, I do want to say I did leave it for about 7 to 8 hours, just kind of like sitting in the bag, letting it marinate, you know, and then I felt like the color was kind of where I wanted it to be, so I threw it in the wash. I just washed it like I normally would, but soap, detergent, all that stuff. And this is what it looked like. Let me show you. Isn't it so cute? It's like the perfect, it's definitely not tan. It's definitely more of a pinky tone, but let's see. I was gonna wear it today, but it's actually really hot. How cute is that? I'm so happy with it. So I put the sweater on so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm gonna show you in the mirror so you guys can get like a better view of everything. Look at how cute it turned out. Literally not even $10 was spent doing this. Like, what? I was even thinking about getting one off of Urban Outfitters, and I think the one on there is like 60 bucks. I would have been so upset. And it's so warm. I mean, this is a look, guys. This is a look. Let me know if you guys end up doing this or something. Alright guys, so we are going to be doing our nails right now. I was just going to do this, but I figured I'd record it for you. Again, just like last time, this isn't going to be a tutorial. If you want a tutorial, I can definitely do that for you, but it's just going to be kind of me showing you because I'm still trying to learn how to use all this. This was going to be my second time using this to do my own nails. I'm just the type to go and get my nails done, but obviously because of the situations we're in, that is not happening. Just for reference, I actually got all this off Amazon, so really good and affordable stuff. Yeah, so I'm just gonna bring you along. So what we're gonna do is, I have a little bit of excess nail polish, so I'm just gonna kind of scrape this off. Now we're gonna go in and remove our cuticles. I'm just gonna place this all over. Gonna scrape things off. You gotta be very careful with this stuff. Last time I cut myself pretty bad. Wow, it's coming out way better than it did last time. Nice. Just gonna buff it out. Now, before putting on a color, which I still haven't decided which I want to do, we're gonna start by priming. Then we're going in with our base coat, using this. So once you're done doing that, you're gonna put it in your little machine thing. Super cool, I know, and you're gonna put it in for 60 seconds. I think we're gonna go in with, oh shoot. We're probably gonna do 2 coats of this. So now we're gonna go in. You're supposed to go in for like 30 seconds. I like to leave it on for at least like 40 before I do my second coat. Alright, so I already did my second coat and I'm gonna do my top coat. Go in for at least 60 seconds. You should get something like this. They're not perfect, but maybe from afar they look better. I don't know. We're just gonna go in with this thing. This is the finished product. What does it look like? It's okay, it's not the best. I'm trying to get better. Alright guys, and I kind of just wanted to show you kind of how I store everything. I got this container at Target for like $1. The lid's over here. But basically these are all my regular nail polishes. These 4 right now are the only gel ones that I have, but as you can see, I don't have that much room there, so I like to just put it on inside the box that the light came in. And then I'll usually just put my towel there with like the rest of my products. But yeah, that's how I store everything. And then right here is my little like nail clippers and all that stuff, little kit right there. And voila. Put the lid. Why am I showing this? Don't know, but I love organizing and stuff, so